Aerodynamics. Meaning. Aerodynamics refers to the study of the motion of air and its interaction with solid objects, such as airplanes, cars, or buildings, particularly focusing on how air affects their movement and performance. Definition. Aerodynamics is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of air. It examines how air flows over surfaces and its effects on objects' motion. This knowledge is used in designing vehicles and structures to optimize performance and stability. Examples in sentences. 1. Engineers study aerodynamics to design more fuel-efficient airplanes. Here, aerodynamics refers to the principles of airflow that affect the design and performance of airplanes. 2. The car's aerodynamics were improved to reduce wind resistance and increase speed. In this sentence, aerodynamics refers to the study of air resistance and how its reduction enhances the car's performance.
English practice.